Hey y'all, well, it's after work today and I've had such a busy week at work. It's been a lot going on and we're just out here with our dogs today. It's Tuesday and we just wanted to spend a little time with our dogs. And I say they're our dogs, but most of the time they're my husband's dogs because he takes care of them and everything. But I'm going to introduce you guys to our dogs so that you can, I think I've had them on my channel before, but I just want to show them today. Not too much is going on today. So we're just relaxing outside after work, and this weather has been so unpredictable. Like, it's been so windy. In fact, I'm going to share, hopefully if we got it on our surveillance camera, I'm going to show you how the wind comes into our backyard and it just knocks all our furniture down. And it's hard to have nice things back here because it just all gets blown everywhere. And that wind comes in pretty good. I think I've shown you guys the back of the house before, that we don't have a neighbor on this side or behind us. So it kind of, when that wind comes in, it has free reign over the entire back side of our house. So yeah, let me show you guys how it blew those chairs over. So it blew that chair over there and over there, and we had a pergola out here, but it just was very unstable. We had it here where this table's at, and it just would rock fiercely back and forth, and just I was always afraid that it was going to crash into the windows. And so I told my husband to just take it down because I was afraid it was going to, I mean, that wind comes in so strong, and it's just like these whirlwinds that come in and gather, you know, weeds and dust and stuff like that. One year we had a rattlesnake come to our back porch. I'll try to see if I can find that video too, because it came up and we didn't have that much lighting back here, and my husband was walking towards the grill and he heard it, you know, and he backed up, and it was just, I'll see if I can find that video because I know I have it somewhere. Hurry, it's moving. It's moving. Over there behind the grill.
Can you hold the light for me, then?
Where? Where do you want me to hold it? Here, give it to me.
Slide it up, I can see it.
Maybe.
Oh!
Babe, be careful. Chop the head off. Oh my God. Are you sure you killed it?
Get the light.
Are you sure you killed it?
Yep.
Damn, that's a big one. Oops.
That's a big one. I don't know if it come in while we were just sitting there or what. But that's crazy because it was right there and I was right here, man.
I
And it
know.
never did
I
nothing.
know. But that was a scary moment. And not one that I like. But the reason I tell you guys that is because they mowed out here, the property that is behind us and to the side of us is owned by farmers. Sometimes they farm stuff, and that's what gets everything moving, and that's when the snakes start going everywhere. And we've thought about getting a cat, but I think our dogs won't appreciate that very much. So anyway, it's dinner time for them, and my husband's getting their bowls together, and our bigger dog, and I'll introduce each one of them to you all, but he finishes quickly, so he tries to get, you know, the girls' food. He's our boy. We have a boy and 2 girls, and so the anticipation is killing them. Black beans ruts, lima beans ruts, coffee bean ruts. Say hello, say hello, hello. Say hello. This girl right here is a blue heeler, our black dog. And she's lima beans ruts. And then that's our boy right there.
Lima, come here. Right here, Lima.
And the girls can eat together, but normally they're not supposed to. So the little red terrier, that's coffee beans, ruts.
No.
And then this is our, we're not sure what he is. He kind of is mixed. He's blue. They told us he was a blue heeler when we got him, but he looks blue heeler pit, but we're not real sure. But we had him neutered so that we wouldn't have any issues, since we have both girls are not spaded or anything. But they sure gave him a hard time when he first came. So we've had him probably a year. We've had her, our little, she's the alpha, our little rat terrier. We've had her probably for 4 or 5 years. And then when my husband and I met and got married, he already had Lima, Miss Lima Beans. And she's about 11. And he had her since she was a baby, so she's had to get used to these two. But she's done well. She's a good girl. She's a good dog. I can't say the same for this one. He's a little mischievous. He's kind of outgrown it a little bit. But he would chew up a lot of stuff, and he gave us quite big adventures at the beginning because he liked to chew on stuff. What are you doing? So, yeah, that's our doggies. And I don't know why they're always so tired. But coffee. And if you notice, they're all named after beans. So lima beans, coffee beans, and then this is black beans. We needed to have a beans name, and black was the only one available, even though he's not all black and she is. I'm sure people wonder why we call him black when he's not all black. She is. But her name was already Lima, so we just wanted it all to be in the Beans family. But that's our doggies. that's our doggies, and they're good dogs. He's a really good watchdog. I mean, extremely good watchdog. Like, he even tried to growl at me.
I can't pet him, no.
So, and they're all jealous. They're always all over my husband. He tries to pet one, they all, yeah. They're very jealous of each other, and he makes sure that the girls don't get near my husband. So he's very loving. He's a very loving dog.
No.
He tries to kiss.
No.
Oh my goodness! Black!
You're gonna squish her.
Okay, so just sharing a glimpse of our home life with you all, with our little dependents, our little dogs. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video and this impromptu video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.